Hello, I'm Janice and I hope you're all doing well. I am super excited about today's video. We're going to be hitting up a few places and we're kind of doing it in reverse a little bit. We're starting at night and then we're going to go back into daytime. But this first spot that we're hitting up, the first time I went was a few days ago with a few of my foodie friends, and the moment I had my first bite of these noodles, I was like, I gotta tell you guys about it. So I'm back again, about to hit the place up. So this place is called Khao Soi, and the noodles, it's absolutely delicious. Today is actually like the perfect temperature for it because it's raining and it's a little bit chilly. So without further ado, let's head to Khao Soi. This place opens at 4:30 and I've come right on the dot at 4:30. So that's why there's not that many people here at the moment, but I kind of already know what I want. Last time I came here, we ordered the Khao Soi Seafood noodles, Khao Soi beef, Khao Soi mackerel, and my favorite was the seafood. So guys, my noodles have just arrived. So we've got grilled king prawns, grilled scallops, and when they took it out, they kind of added a little slice of butter onto both. We've got some smoked salmon and flat egg noodles. We've also got some condiments on the side as well. There is coconut milk, some crispy, what do I call this? Crispy noodle pieces. And we've also got a wedge of lemon, some red onions, and also some pickled mustard greens. I'll give the broth a go as is before I pour in that coconut milk, which is meant to be there to neutralize the spice. I needed that last time, but you know what? For this video's sake, I'm gonna go without the coconut milk for the first sip of the broth. It's thick. It's kind of like a coconutty curry soup, essentially. It's perfect for today's weather as well. You gotta be careful when you eat this and not like breathe it in at the wrong time because the spice hits the back of your throat and then you end up in like a coughing fit. As much as I love the flavors of this broth, I know I won't be able to eat this entire thing without the addition of this, so I'm gonna add all of it in. This is flat egg noodles and it's like the perfect noodles to just have all that thick coconutty curry broth attached to them. Personally, I do notice a big difference when I do add that coconut into it as well. I find it neutralizes some of the heat. I just wish there was more broth that I can add into this bowl of noodles. It's at a relatively thick consistency that I feel like I can kind of eat it with rice as well. Beautiful, beautiful scallop. It's good. It's got a hint of butter to it as well. Let's try the prawns. I like it. My favorite thing in this bowl, it's the broth. I haven't had a chance to visit northern Thailand yet, but when I do go, this is definitely one of those dishes that I would eat at least once every 2 days. I'm actually not too sure what the usual toppings would be in these noodles. So if you are familiar, I mean, I can definitely Google it right now, but if you are familiar, let me know in the comments below. I absolutely love this. And on their menu, their classics is chicken, beef, and red pork. So I guess these are like the main classics. You should come here with friends. What I did last time when I came here with my friends was we each ordered a bowl of noodles and then split the toppings between the three of us. Right now there's not a lot of people purely because I've come at a really off-peak time, but if you are coming for dinner, I would suggest that you book in advance because it does get really, really busy during dinner time. If you come here, let me know what you try and what you enjoy. But that is it for this noodle section of this video. Not too long ago, I tried something for the very, very first time. When I was in Melbourne, I went to this place called Soi 38 and I had Thai barbecue for the very first time. Like, this is like a combination of Korean barbecue, and then you get like on the very side of the pot, you get to like boil your meats there. You get barbecue and hot pot at the very same time. The reason I'm very excited today is because I have someone joining me. I'm gonna find him right now. Hi, Paddy.
Hello, Janice Fung and everyone watching the Janice Fung YouTube channel. How are you? So my name is Paddy. I am Australian. I'm also a Thai speaker and I have a YouTube channel called Thai Talk with Paddy, a lot focused on Thailand, Thai culture, and also the cultural differences between the East and the West. So I do a lot of topics where I go out and interview people on the street and hear their opinions on different subjects.
So Paddy, tell me,
Yes.
what are your favorite places in Sydney to get Thai food?
Oh, it's always a hard question. A lot of people ask me, this whole area around Thai Town, which is just adjacent to Chinatown.
Yeah.
You can pretty much pick any restaurant here and that's where the most authentic Thai food here in Sydney is.
Okay, we're currently here in Thai Town next to Capital Thai, about to try Mu Grata, which is Thai barbecue. So here at Capital Thai, the barbecue is all buffet style. You get 90 minutes for the buffet, and once your pot is set up, you get your pick of everything that's available here. So there's a range of meats, some veggies, fish balls. There's fried food options and some dessert options as well. Getting vegetables, I reckon, I love the nasi mushroom. I mean, Paddy, do you have any like favorites?
I love the meats, to be honest, so any of this is amazing.
And here I am getting all the vegetables.
Yeah.
It's like I'm a rabbit. Ooh. They have sliced Wagyu beef. Let's get just some of everything.
For sure.
Ooh, let's get some beef on.
Nice.
They have two sauces that they give you as well. They smell super fragrant. I feel like there's like fish sauce, lime juice, garlic, chili. This sauce is amazing. I want you, after you eat it, to describe it with 3 words only.
Okay, 3 words, okay. Succulent, moist, delicious. There you go, 3 words.
Oh, you want oh, isn't it hot?
That was dumb. Don't do that.
I won't. Bouncy, elasticy. I don't want to say fishy because I feel like
gonna say
fishy
fishy.
has a negative connotation, but it tastes like fish.
Fish balls taste like fish.
Okay, these noodles, they're green noodles, and we've been debating what this actually is meant to taste like. Is it just the coloring or does it have flavor to it? Let's find out.
Okay. Tastes like noodles to me.
Tastes like noodles to me as well. We have 23 minutes to finish everything on this table. I have full faith that we would be able to do this. How do you feel about it?
Yeah, I'm pumped. Let's do it.
So when did you start YouTube and why did you start it?
I started it in July 2019, going around this area, doing a lot of interviews with both Thai people and Australians. I started because I have a great passion for culture, language, and people. I love talking to people from different places, and in particular, I have a soft spot for Thailand.
How did you actually learn Thai in the first place?
I was an English teacher from my gap year between high school and university. So in 2014, I went over to Thailand and lived there.
Yeah.
Not knowing anything about the country, I'd never been, and I'd hardly ever been to Asia, so I didn't know anything about Asian culture generally. I just got hooked on learning the language as like a vehicle to interacting with new people and meeting new people. So sounds kind of cliche, but honestly, it was a year that was pretty life-changing for me. Just kind of completely changed the way I perceive the world.
I know we ate ice cream for dessert, but I'm really craving mango sticky rice.
The third stomach.
There's a place I think close by that does it.
Yes.
So we're gonna head there right now.
Let's do it. Let's go.
All right. Paddy, I know you don't usually film food videos,
No.
but I have a challenge for you.
Okay.
I want you to imagine yourself as a food vlogger
Oh,
and describe it how a food vlogger would.
I'm so bad at this, hey. Like, I'm really, really bad. It's not at all my expertise.
What would Mark Leans do?
I don't really know what he does. What does he do?
He leans to one. No. He leans to one side.
Oh, the flavors are just so flavorful, and the blend of the sweet mango and the soft sticky rice, and when you eat both of them together with the coconut milk, there's just a bombardment of flavors in your mouth.
I think you did really well.
Oh, I don't know. That was pretty bad.
What would you give it out of 10?
It's a solid 8.5, 9.
I agree. The mango's great. The
Yep.
sticky rice is done well.
Yep,
And yeah, it all just works.
that's good.
All right, just done filming with Paddy. I think his video is going to come out a little bit later than mine. So for me, I always love checking out grocery stores. And before I leave Thai town, I've decided to check out the Asian grocer that's here. So this is actually a cafe as well. Like once I walked in, I could smell coffee, I could smell baked goods, but there's a lot of goodies here. This is Coke with seaweed. This is like a prawn tom yum soup, like a cheesy potato chip. Not even really sure what this is. All right, so the Thai grocery store also sold ready-made meals at a relatively reasonable price. I think it was anywhere between $10 to $12. But yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. I will link Paddy's video in my description when it is live. But thank you so much for watching till the end. New videos every week. And I'll see you in my next video next week. Bye. This was so good. I'm determined to finish all of the broth as well. But I just need a moment. They also sell alcohol here. They also have like cocktails. I think I remember seeing a sign that says $18 cocktails with every meal. Yeah.